Hi everyone, my name is Shaurya Sanjay Matangi. Today we are going to tell you about the air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particle and gases. Air pollution get affected to the ozone layer. Now today I am going to tell you about some common components which are present in air pollution.
There are some causes of air pollution such as emissions of car, industries, factories, etc. Also, there is ozone gas. It's a major part of the air pollution or air pollution in the cities. And
Now I have done here the disadvantage of air pollution, prevention of air pollution and the air. Now I will tell you the definition of air. Air is a mixture of invisible gases which are present in the earth atmosphere. It is called as air. The composition of air is nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93% and carbon dioxide 0.04%. And I have here nylon, helium, methyl, propane, hydrogen as well as water vapor are came in a part of carbon dioxide as 0.04%. Now, causes of air pollution. Air pollution is caused because of an truck, car, and factories waste, which we call as an mobile sources, and then oil refinery, plant reformation or industry facilities are an example of car resources. Now Krishna will tell you the.
Uh, there are some disadvantages of air pollution, such as long-term health effects from air pollution include the heart diseases or lungs cancer or respiratory diseases such as asthma, etc. There is a very great damage, great affection of air pollution on human health. Uh, and now, prevention of air pollution.
Prevention of air pollution. Firstly, use public transport. Means in using individual transport. Instead of using individual transport, you may use an public transport. Second, turn off the light when you are not in the room. If we are not in that room, we should be turn off the light and we should go out of the room without. Then recycle and reuse. We should not waste the thing. Recycle and reuse. We have to use the plastic again and again. Now, not to plastic bag. If we use the plastic bag, so we should reuse it. Now, reduce of forest fire and smoking. We are burning the forest fire because of we have to build their buildings. So instead of that, we should not do that. Use fan instead of air conditioner. If we use the air conditioner, so the smoke is coming out of the air conditioner. So instead of that, we should use the fan and use filter for chimneys. We are using the chimney, so the smoke is coming directly. So instead of it, we must use the filters to avoid this and avoid use of cracker. In Diwali, we are using the cracker. So instead of that, we should not use it. And now I am going to tell you advantages of air pollution. There is only one advantage of air pollution is that we are taking care of our own self, as we say that health is wealth. Thank you.
Advantages of air pollution.
Yes, there is only one advantage of air pollution as that we are taking care of our health from the air pollution.
What about trees?
Trees are cutting down, so that is why there is a major part of an air
Which
pollution.
gas is released in deforestation or the forest fire?
The smoke is deforesting carbon dioxide, which is present inside the plants. It is getting.
I mean, did air pollution help trees to grow faster?
No, they does not help the trees to grow faster. The stomata which is present in that it is stoked by the air pollution. You can say that.
So, how we can prevent the air pollution by uses of uses?
If we do not use the chimney, so the smoke will directly come to that. If there will be solid particle, they will also come out of that. Instead, if we use filter, so the solid particle will get settled down there in the factory only.
Does air pollution has any connection with global warming?
Yes, there is a big connection of air pollution with the global warming because they both are formed by the car and truck buses, etc.
Okay.
Because the smoke which is come from the car, buses and buses are also major cause of air pollution. We can say that and global warming also.
How
Okay, pause.